99% dropshipping store doesn't fail because of the bad ads. They fail because of one hidden problem nobody talks about. Supplier. Stick till the end because by end of this video you'll know exactly how I ship products worldwide in days, not weeks, using one supplier called Fulfillman.com. Before we move forward, let me introduce you Fulfillman.com. It's one of the best dropshipping supplier out there with fast global shipping, help finding the winning products, and tools that automate your store. Everything I'm about to show you I do using Fulfillman. So without wasting more time, let's get started. Most people don't fail at dropshipping because it doesn't work. They fail because they give up too early. They expect fast money and quick sale, but when the result doesn't come up in the first few days, they lose patience and quit. Here's the truth. Dropshipping is a real business, not a magic money machine. You need the right strategy, real expectations, and patience to make it work. A lot of beginners build dropshipping store, run few ads, and when they get no sale, they think dropshipping is dead. The real problem is they skip the basics, make decisions based on emotions, and quit before learning what actually works. In this video, I'm gonna show you the biggest reason beginners quit and how to avoid those mistakes so that you can build a successful store. So watch till the end because every step is a matter a lot. Here's the 5 steps to build a successful, profitable dropshipping store. Pick the right niche, find the reliable suppliers. I already find one for you, which is the Fulfillman.com. You'll see why later in this video. Research winning products, build a professional website, promote your product in the right way. Even one of the steps is weak, your chance of getting success will drop. So that's why basic matters so much. First, we have to do a niche research. If you are new or confused about picking the right niche or a product, pay close attention here. If you choose the wrong product or a niche, you waste your time, money, and even your motivation to success. Whenever I see a beauty product or car accessory being advertised on social media, I never jump right away into that niche. First, I check is the demand growing over time? Are people consistently searching for it? Or is the trend dying out? This one helped me to skip the dead niches and only focus on the product that people actually wanted. If you choose the product without checking the demand and supplier quality, that means you are already increasing your chance of getting fail without even start. Next up is a keyword research. After the niche research, your job is to focus on the keyword research. And this tells you how many people are searching for the particular product and how competitive it is. Instead of guessing, I use tools like SEMrush, Moz, Ahrefs, SimilarWeb, or any other alternative to check the real demand. Once I confirm the demand is real, I move to the next step, which is the finding the right dropshipping supplier, which is the Fulfillman.com. I already find one for you. If you perform a Google search for dropshipping supplier, you will find several dropshipping companies out there, but unfortunately, only a few of them are reliable. I personally use Fulfillman.com because it offers fast shipping, good product quality, and excellent customer support. Whenever I pick a dropshipping supplier, the number one priority of mine is a fast shipping. On Fulfillman.com, you can see they have their own private shipping line. So delivery is a much faster, for example 4 to 7 days to Australia, 5 to 8 days to US, Germany, Italy and Spain, and 3 to 5 days to UK and France. And this is how smart dropshipping stores are built. Real data, proper research, and supplier customer can actually trust. If your store shows longer delivery time, most of your customer leaves your store without buying anything. Slow delivery kills trust and kills sales instantly. That's one big reason I choose Fulfillman.com. Why Fulfillment stands out? Look, fast shipping matter, but product quality matter as just much. Even if the product arrives quickly, but customers still expect it to look and feel good. Fulfillment.com has their own warehouse in China where they keep the product in excellent condition for customer satisfaction. Let's say you have a winning product, you can store your inventory into their warehouse for completely free to speed up the processing time. Here's how it works when you receive an order. When you receive a new order, Fulfillment.com ship the product with their own private line. Delivery is faster and more reliable. You can also add your own branding like your logo on the package, flyers, business card, custom boxes, and much more. That makes your store look like a real brand, not a random dropshipping site. Another big advantage is their customer support and return handling. Damaged product, you get refunded. Wrong item sent, they resend it for free. Shipment lost, they refund it or resend it at no extra cost. If customer wants to return the item, they can handle it for you. That means you don't have to deal with the frustrated customer. They also offer tools to sell more. They offer product photography service to increase the conversion rate. Next, easy integration with Shopify, WooCommerce, eBay, Amazon, and much more. This saves me a lot of manual work so I can focus only on growing the business, testing the ads, and increasing the sale. Next up is building your dropshipping store. Once you find everything, you need to build a dropshipping store. Building a dropshipping store takes time, so I cannot cover that part in this video. If you are interested, you can check out my other videos. You can find those videos links in the description box of this video, or you can go to my YouTube channel. However, if you want to build a dropshipping store quickly, you can go with Shopify. You can start with a Shopify for $1 a month for 3 months. Link also in the video description and of course in the pinned comment. And this is how you build a dropshipping store right away with the right dropshipping supplier. You can also follow the Fulfillman.com on their social media profiles like Facebook, Instagram, and you can also subscribe to their YouTube channel where they create amazing content. Once you build everything, it's time to promote your product. If I want a quick sale, I use Facebook ads. Start by creating a Facebook ad manager account. Verify your domain, add pixel to it so that you can track your customer behavior on your site. Also create a Facebook page and Instagram account. And here's the golden rule to get the better conversion.
On the first day, if I get at least 1 click, I let it run for the next day, and if I don't get any click on day first, I stop the campaign and change the target audience and interest. On the second day, I must have 1 add to cart. If I get it, I let it run for the next day. If I don't get any add to cart, I stop the campaign and start with the day 1, where I need 1 click on a day first. At this point, if I don't get any click, then I consider it non-profitable product. Now let's say on the second day, you got 1 add to cart and you let it run for third day. Now on third day, you must need 1 purchase. If you get the purchase on day 3rd, then let it run until you don't get any purchase.
That's the end of this video. If you found the video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you guys next time.